Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I am back again with another Random Monday video. And today we are unboxing once again. Yeah, so I have a little something, you can probably see it there. But what is it? It is the Apple MacBook Pro. I've gone insane, I think, with purchasing Apple products recently. So if you looked at last week's video, which was also filmed on the same day as this one, if you can tell, I actually bought the new iPhone X. So if you haven't seen that already, go and check that out, but stay tuned and we're going to be unboxing the new MacBook Pro in the 13-inch, and this is in space grey. We've got a touch bar. Oh, hallelujah. Hallelujah. So yeah, it just looks amazing so far, but I think we really just need to just jump in here with, hold on, let's get my scissors. This is super exciting. So I probably unboxed this in the weirdest way possible. I'm just trying to get the wrap off first. Right, that's all off. So now we just have the box. So actually I'm gonna reshuffle and move us in a different position so that you get an actual view of the box, which makes it easy for me. So back in a sec. Okay, so I've got the box right here in front of me now. I should probably try and sit a bit better. Here we go. Even though you can't fully still see it, but you know. So let's just lift. And here we have it. We have it here. See this? So this is the laptop. Just going to pull it out now. It actually has quite a lot of weight to it, despite how thin it is. Like, there is a lot of weight to this, which is amazing. And I kind of like that, you know. It makes it feel sturdy. But anyway, so we've got the laptop itself. We have, I assume, a little pamphlet of informations. Do we get stickers with this? That is the real question, I think, personally. So, oh yes, stickers. So yeah, it's just like a load of different like little bits of paper, like the generic outline of what you get, and obviously things like that, how to use the little different bits and bobs. So I'll definitely be needing to read that. What else do we get? So we also have here the lead, which is to be used for the charger, which is also, it comes in two parts. It looks like this, so you just kind of slot that on there, and then you plug this little bit, there's a little hole there, with this into the laptop, and I believe that is everything that comes with the laptop. So you'll see like a collection of crap mounting back there. So we're actually going to take a little bit of a deeper look into this laptop. This is some risky business we're doing here. Completely undoing this, but it needs to be done. Okay, so here we have it. It is so sleek, so beautiful, and it just overall looks absolutely gorgeous. So then it opens up like so. Obviously this has a quick little cover on it, and it is already turning on, which is insane. I'm gonna take this plasticky, whatever you want to call it, off. So yeah, you can see it's already just turned straight on. It just looks so cute, so sleek, really portable as well actually, because it is so small. It's just easy to bring along with you to do whatever you need to do. And you can see here it's got the two USB-C ports on that side, and on the other side we have two more USB-C ports, or the Lightning I think it's called as well. And here you have a headphone jack as well, and that is all that you get. So 4 ports and a headphone jack, but most of these are designed to have everything already on there. So yeah, this is definitely going to take some getting used to. So I'm going to try and kind of put this at an angle here so you can still see what's going on. So I'm just selecting the language, which is
English as the main language. Press the return key.
Thank you. And you can see as well the touch bar, the top. Oh, it's gone off now. It's lit up there. You can see a few of the options just on here, which is really cool. I've got to just pop in the Wi-Fi password, but I need to go and get that because I can never remember our password. Hey again, so I know it's like the next day, well, you probably didn't realise, but yeah, it is literally the next day. We had a little bit of an issue with our little MacBook here. So essentially, the Wi-Fi was not working, and that just made my life a little bit difficult. So I took a little while. I was on like a live chat with the people at Apple, was trying to get this resolved because I was like, I really need to get using on this. And it just took forever, and we were trying different things, nothing was working. I started panicking. I was thinking, oh my god, what am I gonna do? And then I came back from work today and I opened it up and tried the Wi-Fi again, and it bloody worked. What's the deal? But anyway, nonetheless, at least it is working. I've had a little bit of a chance to play around with it, but not a huge amount. But it does seem really quick actually. I've not tried like anything extreme, but like just, you know, opening up a new internet tab, it's perfectly fast. And even just the general starting up of the like laptop, it's really quick. Like usually my one, I never tend to turn my old one off because I know that when I turn it back on again, I'm gonna have to wait a good 20 minutes for it to like load up and get everything going, and then you have to close everything that it opens on start and all that lot, and I just have not been bothered to, you know, refresh everything. So this one, hopefully we're gonna keep as clean as possible. But I'm just gonna show you a little bit more. So you see on the top there, you've got the touch bar, which when you open up different applications, it actually does, you know, change accordingly. I don't know if we've got an example. Let's see. Been doing a little bit of shopping here. Just open up a new tab. So you can see already like the touch bar has actually changed with different options, which is super cool. So you can, you know, just open a load of new tabs using that touch bar. So things like that are super handy, and I think it's really nice. It kind of is customizable. It changes with every time you do everything. It's nice to have it there, and you can change the brightness directly from it. is also really nice. I just think it's really, I'm gonna say this all the time, it's really nice. But yeah, no, I definitely love that new touch bar. You don't have to get it on the new, I know for sure on the 13-inch, on the lower two, you don't get the touch bar. But I totally think it's worth it. Like, not only are you getting a higher quality laptop, but you're also getting the extra added functionality of having the touch bar, which basically acts as, you know, a complete control panel for any app that you use. But I really haven't even delved into the like real nitty-gritty and deep, you know, usability of it, which I think is going to be really good. But yeah, so this did cost a hefty penny, I must say. I did get a discount because of my work. I get staff discount on Apple products, and so I got a discount on this, but it was still 1,600 roughly, which is a hell of a lot of money. But those of you who know, buying laptops is not a cheap thing anymore, and to get a decent laptop you have to look at the £1,000 range anyway, so just adding that little bit extra gets you a really sleek, really thin design, and it works. It's super speedy, it's super amazing, and compared to my old laptop, it's so much better. It's lighter than my old laptop, although, again, I think I mentioned this before, but this is deceivingly heavy. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with like this purchase. And also another feature that it has that I may or may not have mentioned is Touch ID. So this little button in the corner is actually the power button, but it also is Touch ID, so you just touch it and you can log on. How amazing. But anyway, you guys, I think I've rambled on about this laptop for long enough. If you would like to know more details, I'll be leaving some more information about this laptop, this particular laptop at least, down below, so make sure you're checking that out. And if you want to get one for yourself, there'll be a link down below as well to go and get your own laptop. But yeah, so there are lots of different types of MacBooks for everyone. So I've personally gone for the Pro because I have a lot of heavy editing to get through, and you know, I need a bit more oomph. But you can get a MacBook Air or a MacBook, whatever it's called now, for a lot cheaper. That's my dog. But anyway, like I say, thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this has inspired you to buy yourself an Apple MacBook. But anyway, you guys, I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.